In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete photos from Google Drive step by step, and I'll also show you how to permanently remove them so they're actually gone from your account. If you've got a bunch of images taking up space in Drive, or you just want to clean up old files, this guide will make it quick and easy. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech videos like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com, then sign in to the Google account where your photos are stored. Once you're inside Google Drive, you'll want to find the images you want to delete. The fastest way to do that is by using the search bar at the top. In the search filters, choose Photos and Images, so Drive only shows image files. This saves you from scrolling through everything manually and makes it much easier to find the exact photos you want. Now look through the results and click on the photo you want to remove. If you want to delete more than one photo, you can hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac while clicking each file you want to select. If you want to select everything in a folder, you can use Ctrl A or Command A to highlight all the files at once. This is especially useful if you're clearing out a whole batch of images. Once your photos are selected, look at the top menu and click the trash bin icon. This moves the files to the trash in Google Drive. At this stage, the photos are not permanently deleted yet, so if you changed your mind, you can still recover them from trash for a limited time. If you want to fully delete the image so it can't be restored from the main Drive area, go to the trash section. You can open trash from the left sidebar or use the trash page directly. Inside trash, click Empty Trash in the top right corner. Google Drive may ask you to confirm one more time, so click Delete Forever again when prompted. This is the final step that permanently removes the photos from your account. And that's it. You've now deleted photos from Google Drive and permanently cleared them out if needed. Just remember, once you empty the trash, those files are gone for good, so always double check before confirming. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy Google Drive tutorials, storage tips, and step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.